Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Kennedy Tower, good evening, Galapagos 392, airport set.
Bravo 7392, Kennedy Tower, wind 33013, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Runway 31 left, clear to land, runway, Galapagos 392.
Tower, good evening, JetBlue 810 is on the visual 31 left.
JetBlue 810, Kennedy Tower, good evening, number 2, runway 31 left, clear to land, wind 330 at 13.
Okay, 31 left, clear to land, we're number 2, JetBlue 810. Tower, this is JetBlue 810, we have a traffic target at our 11 o'clock, are they also landing 31 left?
JetBlue 810, you're number 2, you're following the traffic you're probably picking up, it's a A320 Archer 11 o'clock, 3 miles, 2,000.
Roger, JetBlue 810.
Galapagos 7392, say airspeed.
Airspeed 150 knots.
JetBlue 810, start reducing final, you're number 2. Again, you're following the A320, doing 150.
Okay, yeah, we're reducing to final now. We have them inside JetBlue 810.
Thank you. JetBlue 810, additional traffic at your 3 o'clock, 2 miles, 3,000, heavy Boeing 777 descending for the parallel runway.
Traffic inside JetBlue 810.
Galapagos 7392, traffic 3 o'clock, 2 miles, 2,400, 737 descending for the parallel runway.
Roger.
Galapagos 7392, turn right at Mike Charlie, right on Papa, and join Bravo.
Right on Mike Charlie, right Papa, and Bravo, Galapagos 7392.
Galapagos 7392, no delay, traffic short final. Why did you stop on the runway? JetBlue 810, go around, turn left heading 250.
Okay, going around, turn left heading 250, JetBlue 810.
JetBlue 810, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, JetBlue 810.
Galapagos 7392, what was the reason for stopping on the runway?
Something with your aircraft,
Okay, well, next time you need to let me know or something. You stopped on the runway with the traffic on a mile final.
Okay, sorry, sir.
All right, JetBlue 810, my apologies. Contact approach on 125.7 sequence.
Okay, 125.7, JetBlue 810.
Galapagos 7392, monitor 121.9.
121.9.